This 2024 Forest River Flagstaff Classic 826 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, oven, leveling jacks, slide-out, awning, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, external shower, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Flagstaff Classic 826 BHS is 8,279 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.